Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add a silhouette effect on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut PC, and first of all, I'm going to add this video to my timeline, and I'm going to add silhouette effect to this video. So I'm going to go to the effect menu on CapCut, and I'm going to go to the video effect, and I'm just going to search for a silhouette effect for my video. Just type in silhouette effect, and then there will be some effect you can use, and I'm going to select this one because we want to add silhouette effect to our video. I'm going to drag this effect to my video. Okay, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the silhouette effect has been applied to my video. And then here we can customize the silhouette effect. You can customize the filter and then the chromatic, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add silhouette effect to our video on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!